I haven't had pancakes in a long time. This is actually Aunt Jemima mix because when the lefties had it pulled off the shelves, I bought everything that was there. I still have Aunt Jemima syrup. I have lots. I probably have about 2 cases. My wife will use that. I, being diabetic, can't use that anymore. So I'm going pure maple syrup. It's as pure as it gets. And let's do some of this. Tiger Shark beer. Yeah. Beer battered pancakes. That's what's going on over here. Yeah. I'm the pro in the house with pancakes. Buffy style. Buffy style beer battered pancakes with all this vein clogging stuff. Yeah, man. Wyatt over.